In this video, we're going to take a look at how to use and schedule the reports within Flexera Snow Atlas SAM Core. The reports within Snow Atlas are a powerful tool and are there to help you get all the insights you need from the huge amount of data that is being processed and used within Snow Atlas. I'm already in the reports section of Snow Atlas. If I go into standard reports, I can see the larger number of standard reports that have been provided by Flexera. Let's take a look at the All Applications report. If I click Show Report, the report here, with no filters, is loaded in front of me. But I can filter the report. For example, if I wanted to see all of my software that was end of life, I can say end of life is equal to yes, and then show report again. I can open the column selector and add more columns. Let's add another criteria. So now I'm showing all of my end-of-life applications that have the manufacturer Microsoft Corporation. And I can save this report. I can create a new group, put in a description, click Save. And now when I go back to my list of reports, I can see that the My Reports group has been created, and I can load my pre-configured report at any time. I can then export this report as a CSV file or a PDF, an Excel spreadsheet, or an XML format. This makes it easy to use this report and process the report for third-party tools or any other use. If I go back to the report list, I can schedule the report. I can choose the format again. I can choose how frequently the scheduled report will run. and I can target a list of email addresses for recipients that will receive a copy of the scheduled report. And finally, here's a tip. In order to share this report with colleagues, I can take the URL at the top of my browser and share the report directly with any other user of the Snow Atlas platform. This can then be bookmarked and easily accessed by that person at a later time. Well, that covers the basics of using and scheduling reports. I hope you find this useful, and you'll find that the reporting tool is extremely powerful and the best way to make use of the huge amount of data that is being gathered by Flexera Snow Atlas. Thank you for watching.